want we money. NWC worker, they want their money. The minister said, you know, remember we? At 25 years old, them who always so we money, we say we want we money.
This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Some 2,000 employees of the National Water Commission today took industrial action as they demanded a response from the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service on their request for a reclassification of their services. The reclassification issue dates back to 2008. The workers are worried that they are being left out of the ministry's compensation review, which is currently being introduced. The NWC said the industrial action, which was taken without notice, has since disrupted the country's water supply. The utility company says it is working to maintain supply delivery while negotiating to resolve the matter. However, employees warned ORAP that piped water across the island would not be turned on until their demands are met. The opposition People's National Party has since called on the government to quickly intervene and meet with the unions representing the employees to put an end to the issue. In other news, the University of the West Indies Mona campus today confirmed that a female student was sexually assaulted in a restroom on the compound last Thursday. The incident was reported to the police and a team was deployed to the campus to investigate. The university said it is also providing psychosocial support for the student as investigators pursue active leads. Residents of the Meadorsville community in St. James this morning protested what they described as unsafe practices of motorists traveling on the Retirement Main Road. The protests followed the death of 11-year-old Jason Bryan, who was mowed down by a speeding motor car on Sunday evening. Bryan, a grade 5 student of the Barrack Road Primary School, passed away at the Cornwall Regional Hospital on Monday afternoon. Popular medical practitioner Dr. Michael Banbury on Sunday resigned as CEO of the privately owned Medical Associates Hospital. It is understood that Dr. Banbury stepped down last week after being the hospital CEO for more than 8 years. Dr. Leopold Powell has since been named to act in the position. In other news, the Dr. Christopher Tufton-led Ministry of Health and Wellness has been hit by the resignation of at least 2 senior administrators, as reports have surfaced of discord among some health personnel about the approach taken to the day-to-day running of the ministry by some high-ranking technocrats. ORAP understands that Acting Director, Emergency Medical Services, Dr. Curdell Espinosa Campbell, has resigned and spent her final day on the job a few days ago. Dr. Espinosa Campbell is a respected medical doctor and health administrator who's been an acting director at the Health Ministry for approximately 3 years. It is understood that Dr. Espinosa Campbell resigned after moves to confirm her in the post were allegedly blocked by a senior technocrat in the ministry. In the meantime, ORAP sources say the acting director of the National Laboratory Services, Dr. Michelle Hamilton, has also resigned. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.
This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.